Iodine inside of a Q-tip. Okay, why were we doing this?
What is a cute tip?
What a cute tip. Nice. And then you can disinfect your wounds.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Wait, you gotta do it.
She's
For what?
okay. What is that for? Okay, now it's a nice bandage as well.
What is his face for?
I don't know. Yeah.
Like,
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
She's trying to help you out, son. Have some respect.
She
She just got sweat and then drank it.
No, she said.
Okay, good.
Just give it.
Dry shoes.
Yes,
Nice.
it's right. Okay, of course.
Chop some hair off. Okay. Very nice.
To survive, you need
To survive, you need to chop your hair off for sure.
Yeah, that's why I will.
Braids and then shoes, because that's more necessary than having hair. I love that for them.
Yeah, well, so cute.
Yeah. Moss?
Moss?
I must ask, really?
Survival hacks with 5-minute crafts!
The best survival people on Earth.
We'll see in a moment.
Those ticks are not good news.
Word. But I also know that you can put the oil on it and it will get rid of it.
Yeah, you know that like one of the only ways to kill them is to like get a. Oh, it's also fleas, is to burn them. Yeah.
But as I know, they can leave the legs of there.
That's true. Yeah. They can leave an infection.
Yes. Yes. So you need to get rid of fully.
Yeah.
And better go to the doctor to make some medicine.
I would just chop my arm off. Okay, so now, iodine inside of a Q-tip. Okay, why were we doing this?
What is a cute tip?
What a cute tip. Nice. And then you can disinfect your wounds.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Wait, you gotta do it.
She's
For what?
okay. What is that for? Okay, now it's a nice bandage as well.
What is his face for?
I don't know. Yeah.
Like,
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
She's trying to help you out, son. Have some respect.
She
She just got sweat and then drank it.
No, she said.
Okay, good.
Just give it.
Dry shoes.
Yes,
Nice.
it's right. Okay, of course.
Chop some hair off. Okay. Very nice.
To survive, you need.
To survive, you need to chop your hair off for sure.
Yeah, that's why I will.
Braids and then shoes, because that's more necessary than having hair. I love that for them.
Yeah, well, so cute.
Yeah. Moss?
Moss?
I must ask, really? So you're in the wild surviving, but you have money. Interesting.
It's how it usually happens.
Yeah, true.
But you need to find a way how you're gonna use your money. That's your wish.
Plastic, and then we're rolling this up for what?
Oh.
It's a nice hat.
Clever.
I like it.
Wow. Good job.
Okay,
So what is this?
hanger hook.
Oh. Hanger hook.
That's
I love
awesome,
it.
actually.
I love it.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I want one of those. We should get it as a gadget.
Shall we test this gadget?
See how strong it is.
Let's see.
Okay.
Oh, it's like a.
It's like a mini changing room.
Oh.
Portable changing room.
Shower.
/ shower. Okay. Coffee filter holder.
And so water, I guess.
That's how it works.
Okay, yeah. Portable coffee machine.
Ooh, yeah, pump it up.
Bum.
The jam, pump it up while your feet are stomping. And the jam is pumping. Look at that, blah, 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 blah. I don't want. Okay, so we got some eggs. We're cracking open our eggs.
Okay, wow, perfectly cooked.
I would open it differently,
No
but
way
okay.
it's gonna work like so. Okay, the fish. What is this fish?
We put the fish on the plate, we flip the fish over, and then easy fish.
Wow.
Some nice pieces of meat. Wow, he went boar hunting or something. Jeez.
Sorry guys, but it looks very, very
Like
tasty.
bought from a store.
I wanna try it. So,
Okay.
to cook your bread, I guess. And for what? Oh.
Ooh.
Nice soup.
Okay. I actually want to test that and see if it's good.
Yeah, good soup.
We got some corn, we're heating it up, and it's popping.
With acid, right?
Yep. We tested this one. It was okay. It kind of burned.
Kind of burnt, but yeah, it worked. Okay, how to clean up, I guess. You just squeeze it, I saw.
Oh, and it's gonna be like a paste. I hate eggplant. This is.
Yeah.
No!
Yeah. I hate it as well. I mean,
Why?
yeah. I don't understand how you can eat it.
That's not okay.
Sorry,
Yeah, sorry whoever loves eggplant,
Yeah.
but the 2 people who like eggplant. No, I know a lot of people do, but still, it's not very good. Okay,
Uh-huh.
so now we have.
Some bakery.
That looks really good.
That's fine, it's just,
It's just a piece of bread with
Yeah.
sauce on it.
I mean,
But when it's on a stick, it looks better. Everything looks better on a stick.
it's true.
Even-
But if you try to survive, oof, for sure it's nice.
Mm-hmm.
But where did you get the dough?
Where did you get all of this fancy stuff? Yeah, where did you get
Yeah.
French fries in the wild?
Yeah, wow.
Wild McDonald's appeared.
Wow. Not bad.
Looks tasty. I would eat it.
Oh, bacon, of course.
Even better.
Yeah. Of course. Easy to survive with such a guy,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
These people are. Something tells me they're not really having to survive much.
Wow, I feel hungry.
Yeah, this is actually making me really hungry too.
Okay.
We need food. Give us more food.
More, please.
It's like a little kebab necklace. Like wear it afterwards and just pick it up, eat it.
You just can, hang it on you and eat it during the day.
Yeah, it's nice.
Uh-huh. Fast food. Is it fast food?
Okay.
Oh.
So now we have some
Now
hot
it
water
will
in there,
be
some ramen.
perfectly-
Ooh, with some cheese. Heck yeah.
What?
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That's mac and cheese. That is mac and cheese.
Wow, I wanna do it.
Me too.
I
Me
wanna-
too. That looks really good.
Yeah. Okay.
Not bad. Tin can. Put some macaroni in there.
Now again,
More cheese, maybe?
Yeah,
Mayonnaise.
I want a macaroni and cheese.
Yeah. Guys, can you just... One sec. We're going to get some
Yeah.
mac and cheese and be right back. Just kidding. We have to do
Okay,
this.
after. Yes.
We have to do
As
this
soon as
for
we
you.
finish. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, how it's gonna work? Where's the fire?
Yeah, where's the fire there?
Come on.
Okay, automatic tent, very nice. Get in our automatic tent. I feel like this is just every tent ever now.
Yeah.
Folding camp cot.
Nice.
Okay.
It's actually
Looks pretty
5-star hotel.
Yeah, right? Yeah, it's not bad. Pretty leisurely.
Um,
Okay, we put a little bit of aluminum in either side of this, some rice. All right.
okay.
This is how you cook your rice.
In bamboo.
Looks
Wow.
good. Looks bamboo-y. Looks good. I like it.
It's actually nice much bamboo and rice.
Okay, we got leaves, we got salmon. We're rolling it up. All right, and we have our fish, and we put it on the fish fire. I wonder what's in the aluminum fish. Okay. Okay, so why are we doing this though?
It's
like laces.
Wow.
That's cool, actually. Nice.
Amazing. Wow.
Okay, ooh, watch out for your hands. I feel weird when people do that.
Yeah, that looks dangerous.
Cutting metal with your
Okay.
hands right next to them? No.
Toilet paper.
Toilet paper, okay. I guess tuna needs to go as well. Yeah, actually we did this, but a different way, where you can have like a long burning fire if you leave it in tuna. But what?
What's the point?
And we got a no selfie lady.
Okay, survival hacks.
What are we gonna do? Survival hacks.
Yeah.
Try to survive her after she comes out of the water.
For your weird acting.
Yeah.
Is
Warm
it
and
warm?
well. No, I
Is
don't
it?
think you're.
Is
I really
it?
don't think you are warm after that.
No,
You're wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have some nice little kindling fire starter stuff. Burns for 5 hours.
Okay. Like
Nice.
We
If it works,
can
it works.
only, yeah.
We can only imagine,
believe- Yeah.
because we're not going to test it for 5 hours.
Yeah. I mean, it's not worth it.
No.
It's not worth it.
Unless this video gets 20 million likes.
If it gets 20 million likes, we'll do it. Remember to like it.
We'll do it.
20 million likes
Yeah.
all day, baby. I think our maximum likes is something like 200,000. So 20 million likes, baby.
And we'll do this.
Yeah.